Hi, this is Shashank. I'm a solutions engineer with ZVE department here at Zoom. And today I'll be demonstrating how to integrate Zoom Phone within your Salesforce application. For the purpose of this demo, I have subscribed to Salesforce Developer Edition. However, you can do this with your own versions. It can be an Enterprise Edition as well. I've already logged on to my account environment. I have assigned a Zoom Phone license and a number to the administrator account. So let's try to do this as quickly as possible. First, log on to the app marketplace and search for Zoom for Salesforce Lightning. So this integration has been developed by Zoom. You can read more about what this integration is all about, what it can do for you. Uh, I'll try to speed up the process. I'll just go ahead and click Add for now. Then go ahead and click Get It Now. Log in with the Trailblazer account. Click Salesforce. Click Allow. So right now we are in the installation process for this app. I'm just going to go ahead with India for now. All right. So we'll install this package in this account, the connected Salesforce account. Click Install in Production. So you can see it's a fall release 2.19.0. Confirm and I need to select the terms and conditions, confirm and install. So it's redirecting me to the Salesforce login page. I'm just gonna hit remind me later. Go ahead with the default, install for admins, grant access to the third-party websites. So while it's doing that, you can go back to your Zoom environment and go to account management, account settings. You'll see all the products that you have subscribed to. Select Zoom Phone. So what you need to do is enable automatically call from third-party apps. So this is important. We have now enabled it from the account settings. Let's go back over here. Just gonna pause the clip for a moment until it finishes. All right, hardly took 5 seconds. So the app is taking a little bit of time to install. We'll get a notification once that happens. So we can Begin the configuration. Until then, the very first thing that you need to do is click on the gear icon and click Setup. Search for permission sets. Go all the way to the last. So we can see Zoom is not listed as of now. So we'll have to wait for the installation to happen. I'll just pause the clip and once I'm back, I'll refresh the page. So we got that email just now. It took about 30 seconds. It says that the package has been installed. I'm just going to go back to Salesforce and refresh the permission sets. Let's go to the last page. And now we see Zoom admin. Click on manage assignments from here. Click add assignment. Select the system administrator, the profile with which you're logged in. Click next. Just make sure this is set to never expired, no expiration date for the assigned users, and click assign. All right, that's done. Go back to the quick find bar, type in call centers. Click on Zoom phone. Click on manage call center users. Add more users. Click on the find button over here and just select your name, add to the call center. So as you can see, the system admin has been added to the call center. Now we need to configure the soft phone layout. Go back to the quick find bar, search for soft phone layouts. Click new, type in Zoom phone layout. Select the checkbox against its default layout. Let everything remain as default for now, even the screen pop settings and everything. Let the select call type be for inbound and just hit save. All right. Next, we need to add the Zoom phone widget to the Sales Lightning app. Search for App Manager. Over here, locate Sales, but under Lightning Sales, under Developer Name. And against this entry, select the drop down and click Edit. From the navigation pane, select Utility Items Desktop Only. Click Add Utility Item. Search for Open CTI Softphone. Type in Zoom Phone over here. Let's make the width 400 and the height as 640. Let everything be as default. Click Save. And then from here, go back. Click on the app launcher here and search for tasks. Click on this little arrow over here. Click new task. Type Zoom phone call log. can let uh, everything else be as default and click save, right? Click on the gear icon. Okay, it says edit object. We need to find edit page. So what you need to do is just click over here, and while it's selected, click on the gear icon, and now you see edit page. Click on that. From the components section, search for zoom, and drag zoom call log detail into the details tab under the task that we have just created. So I'll drag it over here. And here you can see what kind of activities we are capturing, the details, the dispositions, what was the ring start time, what was the call result, even the recordings which get stored in the Zoom cloud, they're embedded into Salesforce so that the agent can reference and hear it directly from the CRM application. Right. You can click save from here and activate. Be sure to click assign as org default. Let it remain as desktop. Click next. Review the assignment. Everything looks good. Click save. Activation settings changed. Next, again go back to the previous page, and from the app launcher menu, search for Zoom user config. Go under Zoom phone settings, click authorize from Zoom app marketplace. We're about to add the Lightning app. Click allow. It says Zoom user that authorize Zoom and are not same. Let me just log on over here as well. So I'm now logged into the Zoom Workplace client. I'll just go back to the page I came from. All right, so it says, do you want to allow access? Click allow. Authorization successful now. We do see that there's a CTI over here. Let's just go ahead and see if it shows the dial pad. So it says this content is blocked. Contact the site owner to fix the issue. Fortunately for you, I have seen this issue before. So we'll just provide a fix for this. So actually, this is a good exercise. We get to fix this issue live. Minimize from here. Let's go to the previous tab on Chrome, and in the quick find bar, search for trusted URLs. Just add a new trusted URL. HTTPS applications.zoom.us. Click save. But I'll just remove the white space and click save now. All right, I was able to do that. I'm going to refresh the page now. I'll go back here and let's see if our integration now works. Hmm. Let's try one more time. Just going to change this name to Zoom. All right, I'll just select all the CSP directives. That should do it. Click save. All right, let's go back here, refresh, go into Zoom phone. Aha, that's the progress. So it has authenticated as I'm already logged into my Zoom Workplace client. Oh, there we go. I'm logged in with my account. The number ends with 9650. I'll just bring up the Zoom client. It says 9650. All right, let's try to make a test call. I have the phone here with me. Let's see if the call comes in. Oh, it says allow Zoom to make calls to manage the call controls on your behalf. So we are allowing the Lightning app to allow making calls. So the call actually goes via the Workplace client itself. And now you can see the call has come in. I'll just pick it up. And as you can see, it is already set to automatic recording. Uh, that was a setting which I had done. If I just minimize this, here you can see an agent can take notes, take comments, add dispositions, whether the call was connected or not, and they can even relate to a case or a campaign or an opportunity and tag it against that. I'll just stop the recording from here. Oh, okay, so because it's admin only Zoom phone setting, I cannot stop this, but let me try mute. So if I select mute and go back to the Workplace client, there you can see. And if I unmute from here, it is unmuted from there as well. Splendid. I'll just end the call from here from the CTI integration, and you can see the call dropped on my phone as well. Super. So that kind of proves Zoom phone integration with Salesforce. Uh, Same can happen for an incoming call as well. Let me try to make a call from my desktop. 239-448-9650. I'm just gonna be dialing from my Poly VVX desk line, and as you can see, I got a call coming in, and it flashes on my CTI. You can ignore the HubSpot. I'd set an app launcher as well, but you can ignore that. You can see I can pick the call from my CRM, and same thing. I can again take notes, add dispositions, and I can tag it to a case, or I can input it against an opportunity. All right, let's make another test. This time I've created an opportunity in my Salesforce, and I will now redial it, and let's see if the call comes in. Yep, it rings on my Zoom client, also on my CTI. I'll accept it from the CTI. I'll just try to see if I can add it to the opportunity. Yep. All right, that's the one. Yeah, it says Zoom meeting licenses. I'll go back here. Customer is interested to buy 10 phone licenses for Australia, New Zealand region. And I'll select the disposition as call contacted. It's already been recorded. I'll just leave it like that. And now I'll hang it up. All right, I'll go back here. Let me refresh my opportunity. And there it is. The call has been captured. You can see where the call came from. I just clicked on it. And now the call log details are also mentioned over here. There's even the recording plugged in. So if I click on it, I can actually play it from here and give it a listen. The recording does get stored in Zoom Cloud. And by the way, Zoom Phone gives you unlimited cloud storage with your licenses. Yes, that's truly unlimited. All right, so I hope this configuration slash client demo, we covered both, was helpful for you. And see you in the next one. Happy Zooming. Thank you.